Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous truck, very rare, 1972 Chevy K10 pickup. It's four-wheel drive, regular cab, short box. You see the long boxes around, but not the short boxes. This one is fully restored. Looks like it was probably done in the 90s, late 90s. Custom pearl paint. It's purple with a deep pearl base, clear coat finish. It's got some airbrush graphics all the way around. Definitely set it off really nicely. Complete custom deluxe interior. It's got a brand new 454 big block crate motor in it. Edelbrock intake, 4-valve carburetor. I think it's a Holly. 3-speed automatic transmission. Also has air conditioning. Brand new. Edelbrock reformer. Actually, Edelbrock carburetor. You can see it is brand new. Yeah, GM transfer case, 12-bolt rear, all the goodies. Power steering, power brakes, like I said, air. Disc brakes up front. Sitting on 35s with center lines. Highly polished aluminum. Definitely pretty cool. 6x9s in the door. Deluxe interior, custom pedals. Again, ice cold air. Showing 63,600 miles. Gorgeous dash. Custom stereo. Runs perfect. Again, ice cold air. Nice dash. Custom headliner. Cool. Rear sliding window. Windows are tinted all the way around as well. Rhino line bed. Dual exhaust with cherry bombs. All the gauges work, battery, temperature, oil. Brand new 4-inch suspension. Runs and drives great, no issues. A stock motor in this truck would have been a 350. 454 adds some nice juice. Super solid frame and undercarriage. Definitely no issues there. Again, paint is beautiful. Even underneath the doors. Really, really nice. Saw one little spot here, not horrible. Let me just walk around real closely. Little spot here you can see, not terrible. Little scratch here. Beautiful chrome and stainless. Looks good there. Doors are always a problem on these things, but this looks nice. Little blistering in here. Definitely not going anywhere though. A little spot here. Not terrible. Well guys, thank you so much for joining us today. Again, my name is Michael from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a call. We're at 631-339-0399. But also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. We do offer financing and worldwide shipping. Hope to talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.